Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to back up WhatsApp chat. The first thing you do is open up WhatsApp and then you click on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, scroll down to chats, not notification, to chats, tap on chats, then you scroll down, you see chat backup here. This is chat backup. Once you tap on it, you can see you can back up your chats on emergency or Google account storage, and you can restore them on a new phone after you download WhatsApp on it. I can see my last backup date here. So also over here we have like a frequency where you can set how your chat can be backed up. You can choose never, which means never be backed up until you do it manually. You can choose only when I tap backup. You can choose daily, it will back it up daily, weekly or monthly. So, and then over here you can start to include your videos or not. So I don't want to include my videos. So you can also try to back up using your network, your cellular, instead of waiting for Wi-Fi. It depends on you. Then tap on back up. You can see it's backing up messages. Give it a few seconds, maybe up to a minute, and once it's through, the chats have been backed up on WhatsApp. It's as simple as that.